Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing CBSE Class 10 Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Here we are moving on to cross multiplication method. So there are three different methods to solve linear equations in two variables. Out of that, the third method is cross multiplication method. So first we will study what is cross multiplication method. Let the two equations, we'll consider two equations. One is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So, according to cross multiplication method, first we have to take b1, b2, the second term. So, first I have to write the b1, then b2. Then we have to take the C1 and C2, C1, C2, then again the first. So from here we are starting, so like this way, B1, C1, then moving on to the first one, A1, then up to B1 we have to write here. So B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, then B1, B2 again. Now we are going to we are moving on to cross multiplication. So how we will cross multiply? And here we have to multiply this B1 with C2 and B2 with C1. And we can write X, the solution is X equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by the third one, that is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So denominator is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Same way, here we have to write here X, here Y and here 1. Okay, then next is Y. How to find out Y? For that we have to multiply these two. C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by the same thing. It is A1 B2 minus B2 A minus A2 B1. A2 B1. So this is called cross multiplication method. We have to start with the coefficient of y, that is B1 B2, then the constant term, then coefficient of x, then again coefficient of y. Then we have to cross multiply this and subtract. So x can be written as b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 by b2 minus a2 b1. Same way, y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is x and this is y using cross multiplication method. So we will move on to the questions. And also we should take care that how many, that is coefficient of that is a1 a by a2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we are having a unique solution. This all earlier we have learned. Once again I am repeating all these. A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means you will be having unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then there are infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then no solution. So keep in mind all these things. Now we'll move on to the questions. First question, for which values of p? First question is, for which values of p does the pair of equations given below has unique solution. Has unique solution. So we know that unique solution means a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. And here the question is 4x plus py plus 8 equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x plus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. We have to find out what are the values of p. So in this we will find out by comparing what is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So here already given that here it is having unique solution. So we have to take a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 because it is having unique solution. Now what is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 means here a1 is 4 and a2 is 2. So this can be written as 4 by 2, and that is not equal to b1 by b2 means p by 2. So this means that p is not equal to 4. P is not equal to 4. So what is the meaning of this? We can say that p can take all the values except 4. So what are the values of p? P can take all values except 4. Okay, then next one. For what value of k? For what values of k will the following pair of linear equations, the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Equations are kx plus 3y minus of k minus 3 equal to 0, and second is 2x plus ky minus k equal to 0. So we have to check for which all values of k does these pair of linear equations have infinitely many solution. So what is the condition for infinitely many solution? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. And that is, what is a1? a1 is k by 12. Then equal to b1 by b2 means 3 by k equal to c1 by c2 is k minus 3 by k. Now we can compare two equations and find out the value. First two part we can compare, that is k by 12 can be written as 3 by k, and that is k square is equal to 36 or k is equal to 6. And from the second part also we can get from here, that is we can compare 3 by k. Second part means 3 by k is equal to k minus 3 by k. Then that is denominators are same, it can be cancelled. Then again we are getting k equal to 6 itself. Or here if you are cross multiplying, 3k is equal to k square minus 3k, or that is 6k is equal to k square, or that can be written as k square minus 6k is equal to 0, or k is common, so k minus 6 equal to 0. This means that either k is equal to 0 or k equal to 6. So two values are there for k, either k can be 0 or k can be 6. Now moving on to the exercise questions. Exercise 3.5. So here asked for, first question is asked, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution? Which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions. And if there are, if we are getting in unique solution, so what you have to do is you have to find out the unique solution by the method of cross multiplication. So the first one, x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Second equation is 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. First we have to check whether it is having unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution. So for that I have to find out what is a1 by a2. That is 1 by 3. What is b1 by b2? That is again minus 3 by minus 9. That is 1 by 3. Whereas c1 by c2 is equal to 3 by 2. So we can write here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore they are parallel lines. So for parallel lines there won't be any solution. They are parallel lines, so no solution. Then another question. Next one, 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So we are getting two solutions, it is given here. So we have to compare what is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 8. Minus 5 by minus 8, that is 5 by 8. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we know that if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then unique solution. So we can find out the solution by the method of cross multiplication or any other method, but this video is purely for cross multiplication, so we'll do using cross multiplication method itself. So according to cross multiplication method, how to find out x and y? For that we have to write here from the coefficient of y onwards. So 1, here 2, then next is we have to take this to the side, so minus 5, minus 8, then 2, 3 and 1, 2. And here it is for x, this for y, and here. So now using cross multiplication method means you have to multiply it like this. Multiply it, and x can be written as b1 c2. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and that is equal to here a1 a2 a1 b1 and c1. What are the values? This is minus 8 minus of minus, that is plus 10, divided by 4 minus 3, and that is 2 by 1. So x is equal to 2. Now moving on to the value of y, here cross multiplying, minus 15 plus 16 divided by again 4 minus 3, that is 1. So answer is 1. So what are the values of x and y? x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 are the values of x and y. Now next one, so that is a way in which you have to find out if it is unique, solution, that is if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then you have to find out the solution by the method of cross multiplication. Now question number 2. For what values of a and b, for what values of A and B, does the following pair of linear equations, the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions, have an infinite number of solutions. Equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. That is these are the two equations given. If they are having infinite number of solution, then the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition if they are having infinite number of solution. So we'll find out what is a1 by a2. a1 means here it is 2. So 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b is equal to minus 7 by 2 minus b minus 3a. Now we can compare two equations. That is, first two we can compare it. So 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. First two I have taken. Now cross multiplying, 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Simplifying this, 2a minus 3a is minus a equal to minus 3b minus 2b is minus 5b, or a is equal to 5b. One equation. We can find out the second equation from these two. We can simplify that too. That is 3 by a plus b is equal to minus 7 by 2 minus b minus 3a. Cross multiplying, 6 minus 3b minus 9a is equal to minus 7a minus 7b. Taking minus 7a to this side become plus 7a. So minus 9a plus 7a is minus 2a. Then plus 7b, here minus 3b plus 6 equal to 0, or we can write it as minus 2a plus 4b plus 6 equal to 0, or 2 is common. So minus a plus 2b plus 3 is equal to 0. Now instead of a, we have already got the value as 5b that we will substitute here. So minus 5b plus 2b plus 3 equal to 0, or that is minus 3b plus 3 equal to 0, or minus 3b is equal to minus 3, or b is equal to 1. So we got the value of b as 1. So how much is a? A is equal to 5b. So 5b means it is 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. Again, next question. Question number 3. Solve the following pair of equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. Solve by substitution and cross multiplication method. Question is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. First we will do by the method of substitution. Substitution method means we have to find out what is the value of y and from one equation and substitute in the other one. So we will find out from this one. how much is y? So 5y is equal to 9 minus 8x, or y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. And substituting in the second equation, 3x plus 2 into 9 minus 8x divided by 5 is equal to 4. And that is 3x plus this denominator we can multiply to this side, so into 5. 5 into 3x plus 18 minus 16x is equal to 20. And that is 15x minus 16x plus 18 equal to 20, or minus x equal to 20 minus 18, that is 2, or x equal to minus 2. So we got the value of x. Now we have to get the value of y also. So we can get the value of y by substituting in this equation. So substituting here, y is equal to 9 minus 8x divided by 5, that is 9 minus 8 into minus 2 divided by 5, or 9 plus 16 is 25, 25 by 5 is 5. So x equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Now we will move on to the cross multiplication method for the same question. Question again, that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0, and second one is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So using cross multiplication method means what we have to do is take coefficient of y, that is 5, 2, minus 9, 4, 8, 3, again 5, 2. Then we have to cross multiply it. Okay. So that is x equal to b1 c2. So 20 minus 18, 20 plus 18 divided by 16 minus 15. That is equal to 38 divided by 1. So once again 20, here also one minus sign is there, minus 9 and minus 4. So 20 minus 20 minus minus 18. So what you will get the answer? Small change is there. So minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2, minus 2 by 1. So x equal to minus 2. Just check it with the earlier value and see whether the answers are same. X equal to minus 2, when we did using substitution method also we got it as x equal to minus 2. Here also with using cross multiplication method also we are getting the same answer. Then y is equal to minus 27 plus 32 and divided by 16 minus 15 is 1. So we are getting the answer as plus 5. So x equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. That same answer we got it in the using substitution method as well as using cross multiplication method. So remaining few more questions are there that we will do it in the next video from cross multiplication method itself. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.